Now, what would be
But
x? Yes,
uh, for the section formula, it was x is equal to
yeah, absolutely right. X was equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. And this is this, y coordinate is this. But because this m is the
how can we
midpoint,
use this? How can we use this formula in the questions? Because we don't
yeah,
know
yeah,
what is mx and
yeah,
x.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So we I will get to that point, but let us understand about this midpoint first. So we will do all the question, right? Which will be based on these only. But whenever we have this midpoint, then that will simplify things. So first, let us understand that, and then we'll do the questions. Okay. So yeah, as we were discussing, this is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So m is 1, n is 1. So this is x2 plus x1 divided by 1 plus 1. So this is, let me write it properly, x1 plus x2 by 2, right? So your x coordinate would be simply x1 plus x2 by 2. And similarly, y coordinate would be y1 plus y2 by 2. So whenever we have midpoint, whenever it is mentioned that this is midpoint, then we use this formula instead of this one. Is this clear, Rifa?
Yes.
Yeah, please note it down and then we'll start.
I can
Yeah, yeah. So your voice is
write
breaking.
down.
Yes, yeah, your voice is breaking. Hello. Yeah, I cannot hear you, Rifa. Yes. Hello, Rifa. Can you? Yes, Rifa. I cannot.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
your voice is breaking. My internet is very slow here. That's why.
Okay. So yeah, do you have any doubt in this part? Yes. Okay. Please note it down and then we'll do some questions.
Finished writing.
Yeah, I cannot hear you properly. Sorry about that. But whatever you are saying, I cannot hear you properly.
Uh, I have an incoming call coming. So can you wait for 5 minutes?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, 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 Rifa. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I wrote it down. Okay.
Oh, you have already noted it down. So now let us do the problem. Yeah, this. So what do we have? We have find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of in the ratio 2 by 3. So we will always draw the diagrammatic representation first. So we have these 2 points. This is minus 1, 7, and then this is 4 comma minus. And then we have this point between these 2 points, and the ratio that it divides this point, let's say xy, is 2 and 3. So m is 2, n is 3. Is this part clear, Rifa? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now everything is given, and we have to calculate, find the coordinate of that point which divides this line into this ratio. So x is, we already know, this is what? Mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus, and y is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus. So please calculate and tell me what do we get. Please calculate an x and y for. Whenever you get any answer, please tell. Yeah, did you get any answer, Rifa? Yes.
Yeah, I'm still doing. But uh, should we multiply m and x2
Yeah,
or should
this is m into x2, right? So m
okay
is 2, x2 is 4,
2 4 okay
and then
plus
3
3 into minus 1
divided by 2 plus 2, right? So this is 8 minus 3
2
divided by
plus
2, right? So this is 5 by 5, which is 1. And then similarly, m is 2, y2 is minus, and then plus n is 3, y1 is how much?
7
7, right? And then divided by 2 plus 3.
2 plus 3
So this is minus 6 plus
6
20,
plus 21 divided by 5
right? So this is 15 by 5, which is 3.
3
So what are the coordinates that we get? This is 1 comma 3, right? Okay, so please note it down, and then
yes.
we'll do the second question. Whenever you have noted it down, please tell. Yeah. So are you saying something? Because if your audio is not working, then please write it in the chat box. Right.
Yes, finished.
Finished. Good. So now let us do the second question. So what do we mean by try? TRI. Try.
Three, three.
Right. Good. So we know tricolor. We need meaning three colors. Right. So try. So in the second question, we have to find the coordinates of the points. Right. So in this part it said point, but now it is saying that points, which means that we have more than one point. Okay. So we have to find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line joining this. So let us draw these 2 points. Right. So this is 4 minus 1 and then minus 2 minus 3. This is Q. So now we have a trisection, meaning that it is divided in three equal parts. So let us divide this line in three equal parts. So this one is equal, this one is equal, this one is equal. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Right? Three equal parts. Understood? Yes, Rifa. Clear?
Yes.
So now we have how many points? These 2 points. So let's say that this one is R and this one is S. Okay. So let's say this is some X comma Y. We have to find out, and then this is some different.
Your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Okay. So can you hear me properly now?
Now,
Yes.
okay, I before you were saying something, the three
Yeah.
points, that one was like it was
Yeah.
breaking.
Yeah. Okay. So now we have 2 points, right? 2 points which are trisecting this line, right? So let's say for R, let's choose this R first. So we have this point and then this side. So what are these two sides? This part is 1, M is 1, and this part is how much? R cube part is how much? This
One,
so this part is 1, this part
two,
is
two.
1. So this is 2, right? So M is 1 for R, M is 1, N is 2. Now for S, so let's say this is some other X. Let me write it as X prime and Y prime, right? So if I choose this point, then this is my M. So how much is M? Yes. How much is M for S? How much is M, Rifa? Yeah. Again, so you can write it in the chat box if you're not audible. Right. So I cannot hear you, Rifa. Yes, hello. Hello, Rifa.
Yes, hello.
Yes, 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 I can hear you.
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, 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 yes. So there is some internet issues.
Here the network is very weak, so that's why.
Hmm. Okay, so yeah, what we were doing. So now I ask you that. Okay, so now I asked you that if I choose this S point, then what would be the ratio M? So I am at this S point, right? So what would be the ratio?
One.
One. So I am here. I am at this point. So we have crossed two parts, right? So this is two, and then this part is one. Is this clear to you? So we have these three parts, right? If I
No,
choose, yeah. So if I choose this one, so this is one part and this is two part. If I choose this one, so this is two part and this is one part. So this is what I am telling. If I choose R, I have this one part and then this one is two parts. And if I choose S, then this is two parts and this is one part. Is this clear? Yes, Rifa, is this clear?
I
Your voice is breaking.
I said one because here in the screen it was before R. That's why.
Yeah, you understood.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us calculate for R, right? For R, we understood that M equals to 1 and N equals to 2. So for R, let us calculate what is X, right? X is mx2 plus nx1 divided by M plus N, and Y is my2 plus ny1 divided by M. So please calculate and tell me what is the X and Y do you get. Okay, please calculate and tell.
Okay. X is equal to 8.
X is equal to 8. So M is 1, then this is minus 2, and then N is 2, and this is 4, divided by 1 plus 2. This is minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3. This is 6 by 3, which is 2. Right? How did you get, yes, how did you get 8? Yes, Rifa. There is a lot of problem with it, right? Yes, Rifa.
Wait, is the x1 4 or y?
So this is 4 comma minus 1, right? So this is x1 and then this is y1, right? Okay, and what is the value of y that you are? Yeah, clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
So now please calculate y and tell.
Um, by I got -3.
Minus 3. Okay, so we have m, which is 1 into minus 3, and this is 2 into minus 1, divided by what? 1 plus 2.
1 + 2.
So minus 3 and then minus 2, right? Okay, then this is 3. So this is minus 5 by 3. Hmm? Yes. So yeah, where was the mistake, Rifa? Yes.
Oh, yeah. The thing is, I got confused with x1, y1, x2.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah. So yeah, this is x1,
Was
y1,
it
and then this is x2.
small?
Okay,
Okay.
good, good. So now for S, right? For S, so now we have to calculate the point. So now we know that R is how much? R is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now we have to calculate this S. So for S, M is 2 and N is 1. Right. So then we have to figure out, let me write it as X only, so that okay, please calculate again and tell. Yeah, please calculate and tell.
I got -5/3.
Minus 5 by 3. Oh, so this is X is minus 5 by 3. So M is 2, right? X2 is -2 plus N is 1, and then oh, this is X1, right? So and then X1 is what? 4. And then this is 2 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3. So this is 0, right? So you'll get 0, Rifa, right? Again, is there any confusion, Rifa?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll solve it again.
Yeah, yeah, please, yeah. So this is the part that we have to work on, right? Calculation, because you will do the
The
all
thing is,
algebra.
I don't have a book with me,
Oh,
so
yeah, yeah. So have a soft copy of your book, right? Yeah. So download the soft copy and then in your mobile or in your laptop, then
grandma's house. So I came
oh,
here for something
so
else. So I didn't bring the book with me. So that's why.
oh. Oh, okay, okay. No worries, no worries. So, do you want me to show the question to you? Yeah. So now let me do this problem, right? And then, okay. So let me do this problem, and then you go
I
to your
can
home and practice
do
it
this
on your own. Okay.
I can do this very easily, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can do this very easily. But the thing is, I don't have a book with me.
Oh,
That's
okay,
why
okay.
it's
No,
taking
okay, okay.
mistake.
No, no worries, no worries. I can understand. So, yeah, yeah. Okay. No worries, no worries. So let me do the problem and then you check it on your own. Okay. Yeah. So the 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus 1 into y1 is minus 1. Divided by 2 plus 1. So this is minus 6 and minus 1 divided by 3. So this is minus 7 by 2. So we have calculated the coordinate of this point as well. So this is 0 comma minus 7 by right. So these would be the coordinates. Please note it down. Then we'll do the third question. Yeah, please note it down, Rifa. Yeah, whenever you have noted it down, please tell.
Yeah, you can go to the next question.
Okay, so then move on. Let's move on to the next. Oh, oh yeah. So now let us move on to the next question. Okay, so what is the next question? So to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school, ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along 80, as shown in figure 7.2. So Niharika runs 1 by 4 the distance 80 on the second line. So this is Niharika and then second line and post a green flag. So at somewhere at this place, she posts a green flag, right? Now Preet runs 1/5 the distance 80 on the eighth line. So in here, this is Preet, and what is the distance between both the flags? So first question is that we have to calculate the distance. Okay. And second is that if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags, where should she post her flag? So this is Niharika, and this is Preet, and Rashmi is at the midpoint, right? So this is midpoint. But first, we have to figure out what is the distance between Niharika and Preet. So what should we use to calculate the distance? Yes, Rifa. What should we use to calculate the distance?
The distance formula.
Absolutely right. So we have to use the distance formula. But for distance formula, we need the coordinates, right? So this is the second line, which means that what is x? So this is the second line. So what is the x coordinate of Niharika?
Which line? Can you say again?
Second line, second line, second.
This one. Okay. It's 2.
2, right? So x coordinate is 2. Absolutely right. And for Preet, what is the x coordinate?
For
She is
P,
on
the
the 8.
x coordinate, it's 8.
Good. So now we know x and x1 and x2. But what is the y coordinate? So how much is this distance? This is 1 by 4th of AD. And AD is what? 100 meters, right? So AD is 100 meter and 1 by 4th of AD, which is 1 by 4 of 100. So this is 25 meters. So this is 25 and 1 by 5th of AD. This is 1 by 5th of 100. So this is 20. So these are the coordinates, right? These are the coordinates of Niharika and Preeti. So let me draw it here, and you tell me what would be the distance. Okay, so calculate the distance between N and. This should be what, Rifa?
Is it fine if I tell you right now? Because
Yes, yes,
can I
absolutely fine.
say?
Yes, yes,
Okay. So root of um x1 minus x2 the whole square, just 2 minus 2 minus 8 the whole square plus 25 minus 20 the whole square.
good. So we have what? -6 whole square, and
It
then
is
this
6
is
square
5.
plus
So this is 36 plus 25, which is what?
6 square minus 5
60.
square, 36 plus 25.
Yeah. So this is 61 meters, right? Okay. So this is the distance between Niharika